As the landscape darkens, the Portland headlight serves as a guiding beacon for travelers, illuminating their path. In the distance, ominous clouds gather, signaling the impending arrival of a storm complete with strong winds and rain. Fortunately, for those standing near the lighthouse, reaching it for cover is a mere short walk away, allowing for no wasted time. The storm is about to unleash its fury on Fort Williams Park, blanketing it in darkness and drenching rain. The Portland headlight has been illuminating the coast of Portland and Cape Elizabeth since its inception in 1791. Its purpose has always been to safeguard the community by guiding travelers and warning ships of potential hazards. Despite its age and the natural elements it is exposed to, the light and its accompanying keepers' quarters have stood strong through the years. However, the ongoing wear and tear of time, as well as the frequent storms that batter the Northeastern United States, continue to pose a threat to the preservation of this historic structure. Despite its age, Portland Head has become not only a beacon of light but also a symbol of the resilience of its people. Standing for over 230 years, it has witnessed the numerous events that have occurred in Fort Williams Park and the surrounding towns. As the traveler approaches the towering lighthouse for shelter from the approaching rain, he observes the history etched in the walls of Portland Head and its keepers' quarters. He notices that a crack that used to be present is now covered to prevent it from widening, and that a floor that was once dirt is now lined with stones. As he climbs the steps to the top, he sees marks indicating that the lens on the light has been changed multiple times. As the storm clouds arrive and unleash a deluge of water, the darkness outside the lighthouse obscures the traveler's view, making it difficult to see beyond a few yards. The rain is driven by strong winds, causing its droplets to hit the glass like needles. But the traveler remains calm. Inside Portland Head, he feels safe. The lighthouse has stood for over 2 centuries, weathering countless storms. A sense of confidence washes over him as he realizes that it will take more than a storm like this to bring down this mighty structure. For more than 230 years, the residents of Portland have treasured their lighthouse as a guiding light. They have taken steps to ensure its longevity by upgrading its foundations and replacing its lenses. The Portland Head Lighthouse has been well maintained by the community it serves. As the traveler emerges from the lighthouse and heads towards Fort Williams Park, he glances back at the beacon. Another person's journey has been safely guided by the Portland Head Lighthouse.